Welcome to this quick, easy guide on finding your saved posts on Facebook. If you've ever saved something you wanted to revisit later, but now you can't remember where it's stored, this video will walk you through the latest steps so you can locate those posts in minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check and that you have a stable internet connection. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner for the three horizontal lines which represent the menu. Tap that icon to open the main navigation. Next, you'll see a list of options. Scroll through and tap Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. This takes you to a hub where you can manage many aspects of your account. If you don't see settings right away, it might be tucked under a different section in some app versions, so take a moment to locate settings or a similar worded option. Now, you'll want to find your activity. Tap on Activity Log to open a record of what you've done on Facebook. This is where Facebook keeps track of your actions, including posts you've interacted with, comments, and more. It's like a private diary of your Facebook activity, only you can see it. Inside your activity, look for the Interaction section and select Saved. This is where all of your saved posts are stored. Here you'll find articles, videos, memes, or any posts you saved for later viewing. The list is usually organized by date with the most recently saved items at the top so you can quickly jog your memory if you saved something just a short while ago. When you spot the post you were looking for, you can tap it to reopen and review. If you decide you no longer want to keep it, you can unsave it from this screen by tapping the saved icon again or following the post options to remove it from saved. If you're managing multiple saved items, you can use the search or filter options within saved to locate specific topics or creators faster. And if you ever can't find saved in your menu, try updating the Facebook app as interface changes happen over time and can shift where this feature lives. That's all there is to it. Open Facebook, access the menu, go to settings, open your activity, then saved. With these steps, your saved posts are never out of reach again. If you found this quick guide helpful, give it a like and share it with friends who might need a hand organizing their saved items.